So saturated solution is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at that temperature. That at a particular temperature when no more amount of the solute can be dissolved, then that term is known as saturated solution, and if more quantity can be dissolved without raising its temperature, that is unsaturated solution. Now what is the effect of heating and cooling on the saturated solution? If a saturated solution at a particular temperature is heated to a higher temperature, it means that if we start heating with the help of burner, then we see that the fifth tablespoon or the fourth tablespoon which is not dissolving now will start dissolving, because when we heat this to a higher temperature it become unsaturated, and as the solubility of the solute increases on heating, it means the amount of solute can be dissolved more when we heat the substance, and more of the solute can be dissolved on raising the temperature of solution. Now if we cool this, if we start cooling the saturated solution, then that solute which we dissolved in a water will separate out as a crystals. Clear? See here, it is a water, and if we add sugar or salt in it, then when we cool it, then that amount solute which is dissolved in it will separate out in the form of crystals. On cooling and on heating, more amount can be dissolved. This is the case of the saturated and unsaturated solutions.